Hi, I am Mamo. Naya House Store LLP guides you to your goal. We choose 5 best methods for you. Methods Naya House Store introduces are proven by people in the world. Need more experience to develop. It also holds true if you're seeking to break into a certain industry but don't yet have a strong enough portfolio to demonstrate your qualifications. A strong portfolio makes you a far more appealing candidate for employment. You can't go wrong with a good portfolio, whether it's for potential clients in your side business or hiring managers for your next career chance. Your portfolio should contain all the information prospective clients require to make an informed hiring decision. Hence, the portfolio should be sufficient for initial evaluation, though they might want to interview to gain a little more precise information. Let your side business to benefit you over time. Invest your time and energy in tasks that will help you develop a solid portfolio of the kind of job you want to be performing. Methods are no required skills. Just spend from 15 to 30 minutes from home. No stock and no shipping required. Amazing low failure rate. Easy for beginners. Sometime, you might have no enough money for your daily life due to your living cost increasing even you work so hard. And you might have a good house and vehicle. Going travels? And extra income provides you flexible working hours, working style as you like, more comfortable life, and flexible schedules. And also work for extra income may build your portfolio and make a career change too. You can save some cost and time if you work from home. Your free time to better yourself. Click below to find out the best methods for you.